Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you how to add Spotify widgets easily on your desktop so that you could manage it right away from your desktop. If you see my screen, I'm in the Google Chrome browser. Just go to open.spotify.com. Let me also pull up the Microsoft Edge so that it will make easier for you to understand. In Microsoft Edge, I also have opened the URL that is open.spotify.com, and here I got an option app available install Spotify. And if I click here, this will ask me to install Spotify. Let's go to Google Chrome. And in Google Chrome, if I go to this icon, I'm getting install Spotify option also here. And if you are not getting this option, just go ahead, click on these three dots, go to cast, save and share, and here you will get an option to install Spotify. Then again, click on install and you see it took only 1 second to appear directly on my desktop. And here I got the icon for Spotify. Let's double click on this icon and let's make sure we are logged in. And after logging in, I got my Spotify here on my desktop. So that's it about today's quick and simple video on how to add Spotify widgets on your desktop. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like ITPK. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.